I am back with another Get Ready With Me, and today I'll be doing the Korean daily makeup look. As all of you may already know, I am a huge fan of Korean trends, so I've always been a close follower of Korean makeup trends, hair trends, beauty trends. And the reason why I've been a huge fan of Korean beauty trends is because I feel they suit my features a lot more. One of my favorite Korean beauty trends now is actually the see-through bangs. And of course, apart from hair, Korea is huge when it comes to skincare and makeup. So today I've decided to do this Korean daily makeup look, and I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that I've picked up. Okay, so today's video is in collaboration with Guardian. So all these Korean products I've picked up from are from Guardian only. Okay, so Korean makeup focus a lot on their skin, so we'll be starting off with skincare first. And over here I am using the April Skin Real Calendula Foam Cleanser, and it comes in the set. Okay, so to start off, I have already cleansed my face using this Real Calendula Foam Cleanser. So I'm just gonna insert a footage of me washing my face. Okay, so this April Skin Real Calendula Foam Cleanser actually came from this set, and they gave 3 free gifts over here. So you get to try the other products from the same series. Okay, so over here we have the Peel Off Pack, Deep Moisture Essence, Peeling Pad. So we'll be using the peeling pad to just exfoliate and moisturize our face. It looks like this. Okay, I'm done with that. We'll be applying the Deep Moisture Essence. So one of the tricks to getting very nice dewy skin is to apply moisturizer before your base makeup, so you can hydrate your base. Your base will look extremely dewy and flawless, just like the whole Korean makeup look. Okay, now that your skin is very moisturized and hydrated, we can now start off with the foundation. So the foundation we will be using today is the INGA Cover Fitting Tattoo Cushion in Healthy Beige. So squeeze out some foundation. The coverage of this cushion is really good. This is just one layer, and this is why we must apply a layer of essence before our foundation so that it will look this dewy and flawless. So the coverage of this foundation is really good. You can just double up on like your eye area if you want to conceal your dark eye rings. So of course, if you need concealer, just add some concealer and conceal any flaws you need. So for most Korean makeup look, they don't really do matte skin, and they prefer their skin to look dewy and flawless like this, like glass skin effect. And so to keep the face dewy and glass skin like, we will not be powdering the entire face. We'll just be powdering the areas where it may crease along the day, because Singapore is so hot and humid, right? Like around our nose, maybe our smile line, just to, you know, reduce any creases. And since Singapore is so humid, I need to make sure that the rest of my makeup is slightly set. So I like to use a powder brush. Over here, I'm using this powder brush from Beautiful. So using a powder brush, we'll just be lightly taking some of the powder, dust off the excess, and just lightly powder the areas that you are scared of creasing, and also dusting off some of the excess powder that you have set using the sponge just now. Next, I'll be using the MEME Brow Pencil. This is in the shade 003 Dark Brown because I have very dark hair now. Okay, so plus point for this eyebrow pencil, it comes with a spoolie. Since we'll be following the Korean trends, we'll be doing straight eyebrows, which is the whole Korean eyebrow look. And to do Korean straight brows, we have to make sure that this area is filled. So just lightly fill in this area first. So we are forming that straight line, and then fill in the rest of the brows. So there is this gap here because it causes the arc, right? So we'll just be filling it in to make the brows straight. So for Korean makeup looks, right, they usually like to make themselves look much younger, and with thicker and straighter brows, you will definitely look more youthful. So nowadays, the Korean beauty trends, right, although they like to have their brows straight and thick, they don't really fill in like super pigmented and strong. So I think this is why their eyebrow pencils are less pigmented, and it really helps to create such natural looking eyebrows. So it looks like it's very feathery, it doesn't look like you have any brow product on. Okay, now we have very natural, thick bushy brows. Over here, we have the MEME Day to Night Eyeshadow Palette. This is a very versatile palette with a lot of shades. You can do your makeup from the day look to the night look, and I really love the shades. It's super pretty and they are warm tones, so that's what I like myself. Okay, so there is this applicator provided in the MEME eyeshadow palette. So to make this look very easy for all of you, I am going to minimize the amount of brushes that I use in this video. I'm just gonna be using this. So for the eyes, right, I don't think they go for very drastic or dramatic eyeshadow look, and so we'll just be using the matte shades over here. So to start off, I'll be using my middle finger and this lightest shade. Apply all over your eyelid. So now using this and this shade, applying on the lash line. So we bring the shade down to the lower lash line. Okay, so now we'll be using the darker brown shade and using the skinnier side of the eyeshadow brush. We'll be lining the ends of our lash line and the lower lash line as well. So what we are doing now is to pull our eyes longer this side. So this is why we are emphasizing on the outer corner. Now that we are done with our eyeshadow, it's just something very light and pulling this area outwards. Okay, now we'll be using the eyeliner. Over here, we'll be using the SKINFOOD Viva Waterproof Color Tip Pen Eyeliner. And this is in a brown shade. It's very important to use brown so that it looks less harsh. And today, for the eyeliner, we'll be doing something slightly droopier. So usually after drawing the droopy eyeliner, I will have a rough gauge of how much I want to fill up on my lower lash line now. So we'll be moving back to our eyeshadow. We'll just be using the shade that we have been using just now. This area, just underneath the droopy eyeliner. Okay, and another Korean beauty trend is aegyo-sal. Aegyo-sal is this tiny eye bag over here. So the reason why Koreans love this aegyo-sal is because it helps to signify a youthful look. So to follow the Korean trend, we'll just be emphasizing on the aegyo-sal. So we're mixing these two bright shades and popping it on this eye bag area so it looks highlighted. If you want to make it even more prominent, you can just pick out this brown shade, take off the excess, and then smile and contour this line. Just blend it out. So you're basically drawing your own tiny eye bag to make yourself look younger. Now it's time to add some mascara. So we'll just be curling our lashes and put on some mascara. Okay, now moving on to our blush and lips. Okay, so for my blush and lips, I'll be using the same product. I'm using MEME Tic Toc Lipstick in 004 Blush Cami. So it's really cute, you just keep pressing the bottom so it goes like tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's so cute, look at this. Okay, clearly look at my face, I am lacking of a lot of color. So we'll just be rubbing this on my finger, putting it on here and tapping this slightly. Using the part from the BB cushion just now. Okay, the blush is done, so we'll be moving on to our lips. We'll be using the same product. One of the most famous Korean beauty lip trend is actually the gradient lips, and I'm going to be showing you this hack on how to create a very easy gradient lip. Okay, to start off, you're just going to be applying this lipstick on the inner area. And then taking a eyeshadow applicator. So this is a sponge applicator. You can find it at any of your eyeshadow palette. Look at this, you just blend it out using the applicator. So Korean makeup usually emphasizes on their whole skin, you know, like they like to make their skin look flawless and bright, which is why most of the time they like to end off their lipstick with a very bright red because it actually contrasts your skin color, and red lips actually gives off an illusion of a fairer, brighter, flawless skin. Okay, so now we are done with the Korean daily makeup look. Okay, as I've mentioned earlier in this video is in collaboration with Guardian, and all these products that I've used in this video, you can get them from Guardian. And they are having a promotion where if you spend more than $80, there will be a gift with purchase. So you get to have this. It's worth $80 itself. Ta-da! So here in the pouch, there are a lot of travel size kits that you can actually bring around when you're traveling. A lot of products for you to try out as well. So you can get this pouch as long as you spend more than $80 in a single receipt. Okay, so that's it for today's Get Ready With Me. I don't think we use a lot of products, so this look is actually super easy to recreate. I hope you learned a lot of interesting tips and tricks in this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video as always. I hope you like it and I'll see you all really soon. Bye! 안녕!